what is the future, right? What is the next big thing in insurance process automation? Where do you think that the competitive advantage for insurance companies is going to be?
Yeah. So I think let's first start with the good news. The good news is that the insurance market is growing, right? Premium amounts are growing over time, right? So there's going to be more insurance in the future and more, let's say, the cake is getting bigger, right?
There's new risks like cyber.
Exactly. There's new risks
emerging. Yeah.
There's also a lot of people for the first time buying health insurance, for instance, right? So the cake is getting bigger, right? I think on one side, one of the challenges for insurers is actually to adopt technology, right? There's also a lot of new clients coming, like the Generation Z and the Millenniums, right, have different expectations from their insurance company
for digital, basically.
For digital, right? That is going to be very important that the insurance companies also adjust to these new clients, right, to serve them in the way they want to be served. So I think this is one of the big challenges, right? And then one of the very interesting topic for insurers, and we touched a bit on it in the discussion, is if you buy a car today, right, is the insurance already going to be part of your car, right? Do you buy it with the product?
Mm-hmm.
Who is responsible in case the car has a crash? And let's think about autonomous driving, for instance, right? So is it the manufacturer of the car? Is it the person driving? Is it the developer of the algorithm? So insurance is getting more complex.
And we'll have new products, right? So nowadays you might not buy a car anymore. You might buy mobility instead.
Exactly.
And that's insured, for example. So you don't get insurance of the car, but you can insurance in case you don't, you can't move from A to B, and then that's insured, not the car itself.
So in essence, I think it's product innovation, and that is only possible through technology in insurance space.
Mm-hmm.
My feeling is that in the last 5 years, there was more innovation in insurance than in the 15 years which were before, right? So I think it's accelerating. There's a lot of startups, or let's call it like insurance companies like Lemonade, who start digital first, right, from scratch, who are a bit disrupting the existing players.
Yeah.
So I think it's going to be very interesting on how to deal with technology and to adapt to the ever-changing world, which is changing faster and faster.